Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago, 35mm black and white. Well, model shooting, and this is not for job. Well, this is my subject today, and this is black and white, so coloring is my work today. I want to try something, try to be interesting, different image painting today. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to move this empty layer over this image and then change blend mode. First of all, when I colorize image, I make some color layer, two of them. One is blend mode, change to color. And then the other one, I'm going to add another one, or just normal blend mode. Okay, then I'm going to change name. Okay, I'm going to start from color on color, but you gotta see this image and select brush. No brush texture, so basic to soft round opacity. That's what I use first. I kind of see some blue jeans color here and maybe rusted iron color on this wheel, and then green on trees, blue sky, gold hair, red, some t-shirt design. That's about it. I kind of see it. I don't remember though. Let's see if it's just regular image, huh? Let's see. Let's start it. Start from skin tone. Okay, and now blue jeans. Now how about belt? Maybe brownish, touch reddish brown. Now how about rusted iron color? Okay, background green. Alright, go for t-shirt. Okay, now ground. Okay, shadow area has some blue. Okay, overall, oh, blue sky. Now I gotta paint the other layer here. There's no density on here, so now I gotta think about texture of the brush. Now I go, well, painting some watercolor texture maybe, or soft acrylic. Yeah, just for now. Yeah, it's gonna change anyways. When you smudge it, let's see, smudge with dry media, well, pastel square. Now just leave it now, it's out of focus anyways. Now I'm gonna touch up overall. Let's see. Well, we see some colors. Okay, paint, and this color blend mode, and some nice greens. More saturation I want. Okay, let's see some smudge colors. Okay, now go for smudge here. Okay, now smudge a little bit. I'm gonna add some nice, maybe lips. Okay, now this is normal color. That's hair. Alright. Okay, now again smudge. Skin tones here. Okay, now overall colors. Alright, now detail. Okay, I'm gonna add some blue cast on shadow side. Okay, then I'm gonna smudge. Alright, now first time use the eraser tool to soft round opacity. Alright, I guess this is pretty much done. That's for today. I'm gonna play around with this pencil drawing type image. Next step. Yeah, make it some kind of illustration type image. Look at this overlay effect. That's gonna be pretty fun. Okay, go back to normal, 100% for next time. Turn it off. Now I'm gonna more touch up details of this color image. Well, what I did is today, this is black and white base image. I add color layer on color blend mode, then add colors on this, then highlight side, which doesn't have density on the photograph. I just painted on with this layer. Color on blend mode is normal. To just paint to get blue in this shirt. Now white area mostly. to get yellow. Well, this image pretty much, but actually I add some her hair, this yellowish, that's on this layer. Yeah, you see some like so. Well, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video. I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for colorize image, and that's for your creative work. And you guys have a nice day, and thank you. I really appreciate for you guys' support, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.